In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. So first, what we have to do is click on our profile icon in the top right corner. Then from here, we have to select linked banks. Then select the option to link a debit card and then select no card, because we need to link our bank account that is connected to Zelle. So basically, here we want to select continue. And what Zelle does is it acts as a middleman. So it will be connected to another bank. So for example, if your Zelle account is connected to Chase, here you want to select the bank that you have connected to your Zelle. So let's say I use Chase through Zelle. Here we want to log in with our account information for the bank account that's linked to Zelle. And basically after you log in, it will ask you to authorize. And then after you authorize, your account will be ready to use. So after you have set up this page right here, then what we have to do if we want to add money from Zelle is click on the bank icon at the bottom left corner. And then we have to select add cash. Select the amount of cash that you want to add from Zelle to your Cash App, for example, $100, and then you click on add and the amount. And if your card is connected through Zelle and the bank that you use with Zelle, then this will automatically add your money from Zelle to Cash App. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.